Okay, so I have these here, two gang box. They all come from the same breaker. Once I turn off the breaker, this black one, okay, this black one, I put the tape on it, was on the black screw. And then on the other side here, we had that red cable. And then the second black here was in here. Now, what I did is I coupled both black, left off the red, and the ground that comes from inside, from this bunch of cable, I put the ground on the switch that controls the outlet right here. Okay, and then in the middle I had this four-way switch. Okay, so what I did is that I left off the red that comes from a downside there. I left it off since it's not used, and I put the black that comes from down there. I put it on the black screw right here, and then the black that goes on the next switch, I put it on the brass screw on the top of the black. And on the other side here, the red that goes on the next switch, I put it on the blue screw. And then I put both the ground together. Now next. Now over here, I made a modification. I removed the black screw that was here, and the one that was connected here. Over here, I removed both of them, and I joined them with the jumper all together. And I connected on the black screw, and I left the red where it is on the top of the black screw, and then the ground connected. Now we have our light working. Okay, our dimmer working. So right now the dimmer is on 5. Okay, on the highest one. So if I hit the dimmer, he dims off. Okay, he dims off. When I hit again, he brings in on. Okay, he brings on. So I believe we're good.